Hi guys, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, bringing you weekly videos about psychic development and spiritual and personal growth. So if you're into this topic, please come over and subscribe. I'd love to see you here. And this week's topic is about energy healing and my hands down favorite method. Now, there are a lot of different types of energy healings out there, and I feel like the one that everybody knows about is Reiki. And then there's Therapeutic Touch or Healing Touch. There's Metatronia Healing. There's Reconnective Healing. There's Pranic Healing. There's Theta Healing. There are so many different healing modalities, and those are just a few off the top of my head. And I've looked into all of them and tried it, and they all do something. But my favorite form of energy healing, and the one that I do on a regular basis, is Bengston energy healing. And this energy healing method was created by William F. Bengston, and he is a researcher. So he doesn't just, do the energy and see that it works like others do. Like with Reiki, like people will just say, yes, I feel calm, so Reiki works because I feel better now. Bill actually goes in and creates experiments. He's been doing this for 20 or 30 years, well, more than 20 now, like more than 30 probably, experiments in university laboratories in scientifically controlled environments with all the factors in place. He would experiment with this energy healing method on cages of mice injected with cancer, growing tumors. The energy cured the mice in all of these experiments. And if you want to know and read about all of this, he's got videos here on YouTube, a cool website, bengstonresearch.com, and tons of interviews. And you will find so much out there if you want to read about the research and hear what he has to say. But it is effective. And not only is it effective in curing cancer, it's effective in treating a whole host of ailments. In fact, there's a few things it's not working on, but even that changes because he's constantly working at it and experimenting and trying new things. It's very, very cool. But the thing that I like about this energy that's different than other forms too is it goes hand in hand with this image cycling technique, which generates the energy, which is a very powerful form of manifesting. So you think about things you want, you cycle them in your brain, the energy comes out of your hands, and then you start to get the stuff you want. That's Bengston in a nutshell. And I've been in the trenches practicing this, and I can tell you it works. People get better. Things come off my list like all the time. It's so much fun. And on top of that, there is a very supportive community of like-minded people with Bengston, and the community of people, which I think has a big part in the whole thing too, because our brain waves, like we synchronize, but it's not even just brain waves. And Bill is the wizard. He'll talk more about all of that, but we get into this, he calls it resonant bonding. And so you start to bond with these people, and it's amazing. And again, though, speaking to the direct results, just astounding. And then the fact that it's studied, it's more than hearsay. And in this realm of energy and everything, we really do want to understand the implications and to really know exactly what it's doing, because otherwise, how will we know, right? Like we'll just, how can we say, I know without a doubt that because of this, but Bengston can do that because of the research and the evidence, the documentation and all of that. And I am talking about this a lot right now because I'm co-hosting a Bengston workshop. If you're watching this in 2021, August 21st, 22nd, and 28th via Zoom. And Bill will be teaching, and it's a wonderful experience. You do go through something when you do the workshop. When you do the intensive, the energy is so powerful. Things shift. And I have noticed that. I've done a few of these workshops, and I really love them. So I would love it if you would like to come. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below on YouTube. But I encourage you to look into Bengston and see what Bill's up to, because this is next level stuff. This is the kind of the forefront of consciousness and where we're going, what we're able to do. So whenever I'm excited about something, I really do like to share it, especially, of course, and only if I've seen that it works, which I've done. I've vetted it. It works. So that's that for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.